the most beautiful, the most talented Prerna Arya. Let's give her a big round of applause. Prerna Arya. Thank you.
सब कह रहे हैं आदि योगी, योग के स्पर्श से अब योग में करना है तन मन। सांस शाश्वत सनन सननन, प्राण गुंजन घनन घननन, उतरे मुझ में आदि योगी, योग धारा छलक छन छन। सांस शाश्वत सनन सननन, प्राण गुंजन घनन घननन, उतरे मुझ में आदि योगी। ईस दो अस्तित्व मेरा और कर दो चूरा चूरा, पूर्ण होने दो मुझे और होने दो अब पूरा पूरा। भस्म वाली रस्म कर दो आदि योगी, योग उत्सव रंग भर दो आदि योगी। बज उठे ये मन सितारी, झनन 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 झनन। सांस शाश्वत सांस शाश्वत आदि योगी, प्राण धारा छलन छन छन। सांस शाश्वत सनन सनन, प्राण गुंजन घनन घनन, उतरे मुझ में आदि योगी, उतरे मुझ में आदि योगी।
What a beautiful kickoff Prerna Arya has given us. Let's all give her a big round of applause. It was superb. Thank you. She's as beautiful as her dances. And this is just the beginning, friends. We have a beautiful program which you are also going to participate. All right, it's time to practice yoga. Like I said, Navneet Malhotra ji, and a renowned keyboard player, is going to accompany me as I am doing yoga practice. We all are doing yoga practice. We will be practicing on his melodious sounds that he has composed specially for today. Let's all give him a big round of applause. Navneet Malhotra ji. Thank you. Let us all rise. बैठे बैठे थक गए होंगे. It's time to fill ourselves with energy. Wow, you all look so beautiful. We are going to start with a short prayer. Yoga is always about moving from outer to the inner world. Through this prayer, maybe move and connect to our inner power of self and to the source of all existence. Asato ma sadgamaya Tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityu ma amritam gamaya. 3 chants of Om. Take a deep breath with me. Let the sound of Om percolate in the entire field of Naperville Yard, all around you and within you. Take a deep breath again. One last time. This time, take a deep breath with full body awareness, conscious breath. And relax. 3 rules to administer throughout the yoga practice. 1. Do everything within your comfort level. 2. Do not go through any pain points. 3. Mind you, yoga is coordination of mind, body and breath. So, throughout this practice, keep moving, keep breathing and keep smiling. So with that, we are going to start with Kalamta. To warm up our body, we are going to take powerful steps with full body awareness. And everyone within your comfort level. Let's go. 1, 2, smile. Keep moving, keep breathing, keep smiling. Okay, we need more smiles. You know, it takes 4 muscles to smile and 110 to frown. So you choose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 more. 1 and 2. Just relax. Stand straight. This is called alert posture. Samsthiti. So today I am going to teach you 10 very powerful, simple but very powerful yoga stretches. You can do it at home every day and see the difference it's going to make in your life. I am not saying that. Everyone who practiced, they felt it. So we love ourselves and we are going to give gift of life to our own self. This hour is all about me. A gift from me to me. How's that? Ready? So we're going to start with neck movements. Start with some loosening practices. Stand straight. Feet should be 1 to 2 inches apart. Hands on both sides of your body. Fingers pointing down. Spine erect. Drop your shoulders from your ears. Now bring your hands on your waistline. Now see how confident you feel. Just by standing in this posture, you will be filled with self-confidence. Just by standing straight, your spine is like an antenna. When it's straight, it always plays channel of happiness, channel of peace. So, standing straight, first we are going to do 2 rounds of neck forward bending and backward bending. Remember, everyone, within your comfort level, take a nice, long, deep of inhale. And while exhaling, forward bending, your chin can touch the chest. While inhaling, go back out as far as you can comfortably. Just feel the calming energy entering in you. That's round 1. While exhaling, come forward, chin touching the chest. While inhaling, slowly, no jerky movement, slowly go back as far as you can. And that is round 2. Slowly come back to center and relax. Nicely done. From here, we women especially tend to have lot of stress in the neck area. So today, bye-bye to stress. You walk out, I promise you, at the end of the session, you walk out light in your mind, light in your body, and let me tell you, you are going to have the best sleep tonight. I promise you, okay? Money back guarantee, but it's free, right? So, all right, hands on your waistline. Feet should be about 2 inches apart. Add a smile. You all look so beautiful. And now moving from here to neck bending. Take a nice long deep breath. And while exhaling, bend your neck towards your right. You should be feeling this on the left side. Inhale and come to the center. While exhaling, bend to the left. Inhale and to your center. While exhaling, bend to your right. Inhale and to your center. Keep smiling, keep moving. Repeat to your left and experience that stretch on the right side of neck. Inhale and to your center. One more time. While exhaling, make sure the breathing is right. When you're bending, you should be exhaling. When you are inhaling, you are coming up. One last time. While exhaling, bend to left. Inhale and come back to center. So make sure your mind is here with your body. So when we go right, everybody goes right. Because what's going to happen, your mind will go to Hawaii or your home, but your body will be here and you all will not get it, okay? So yoga is all about focusing. We are going to improve our concentration also. Now, neck twisting, loosening practices. Spine straight, hands on your waistline. Take a nice long deep inhale. And while exhaling, twist your head to your right. Come back to your center while inhaling. And now exhale and go to your left. Inhale and come to your center. Very nice. That's round 1. Let's do it one more time while exhaling to your right. Inhale and to your center. While exhaling to your left. Inhale and to your center. Let's do it one more time. Take a deep breath right here. And while exhaling with full body awareness, turn to your right with a smile. Inhale and to your center. And last time to your left. While exhaling, turn to your left. You should be feeling it on the right side of the neck. Inhale into your center and relax. Samsthiti, alert posture, spine straight. Drop your shoulders from your ears. Slowly moving from neck now to our chest area. This is a very powerful stretch, but very simple. It opens up your heart. It opens up your mind. It opens up your body. You're able to take complete deep breaths. It does miracle. How to do it? Bring your hands closer to your heart. Feet 1 to 2 inches apart. While inhaling, let's bring our hands out. Exhale and come back. Inhale and out. Add a smile. Exhale and come back. It's a gift from me to me. Remember, you're going to sleep better. You're going to feel light. All these thoughts that are going through your mind will only be positive. Inhale and out. Exhale and come back. Two more. Inhale and out. Keep smiling, keep moving, keep breathing. Exhale and come back. One last time. Inhale and out. Exhale and come back. And just relax. Moving towards our shoulders, spine straight, alert posture, samsthiti. Fingers joined together, pointing down, spine straight. Have a beautiful smile. It's time to release any stress that you might have while inhaling. Shoulders up. Exhale and down. Inhale and 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 up. Exhale and down. Two more. Inhale and up. And add that smile. One more time. And relax. Nicely done. Moving from here to arm movements. Feet 1 to 2 inches apart. Hands on both sides of your body. Samsthiti. Spine straight. And now, listen. While inhaling, raise your arms up above your head, palms facing outwards. And now stretch it upwards. Arm movements. Stretch it upwards with full body awareness. Exhale and nicely come back. Nicely done. Alright, let's do it 4 more times. Nice long deep inhale and raise your arms above your head. And now stretch it upwards. Feel that stretch towards the roof. And relax. Add a smile. Nicely done. Round 3. Take a deep breath in. Palms facing out. And now raise your arms up. Exhale and come down. Keep breathing. Keep moving and keep smiling. You know, these smiles, they leave you. Do you know they leave you? And come back. You don't even know they leave you. I see you here. You're smiling 1 minute and next moment it's gone. Yoga assures smile always. Always. Happiness, always. Peace, always. Relax. Arm movements. From here, we are going to shoulder movements. Take a nice long deep inhale and raise your arms parallel to your shoulders, palms facing up. Feet 1 to 2 inches apart. Now bend from your elbows, touching your respective shoulders with your fingers. Nicely done. And now bring your elbows together. Beautifully done. And now take a nice long deep inhale and let's rotate the shoulder from front to back. Let's do 2 more times. Keep smiling. What is it? Keep breathing and keep moving. Nicely done. And now we're going to go from front to back. So elbows together. Take a deep breath in. Come from back. Nice. Exaggerate this movement. Come back. 1. Round 2. Everyone's looking so beautiful. Just watch. The energy that you're going to carry after the end of this session will not be the same. You'll be much more calmer and just relax. Nicely done. So slowly, we love ourselves. What did I promise you? We are going to make every part of our body calm, serene, more powerful, full of energy. So moving from our shoulders now to midsection. Feet 1 to 2 inches apart. Let's make sure everybody has a smile. It's free. It's free, right? It's free. Okay. So moving to our midsection. Raise your arms parallel to your shoulders, palms facing each other. Listen up. Take a deep breath right here. And while exhaling, movement from your trunk. Go as far as you can. You should be feeling it on the left side. And now inhale and slowly come back to your center while exhaling to your left. Inhale and to your center. That's round 1. Take a deep exhale and turn it to your right. You should be feeling it on the left side. Only upper extremity is moving. And to your left. Should be feeling it on the right side of your waistline. Inhale and come back to your center. One more time while exhaling. Turn to your right. Inhale and come back to your center. Nice and slow movements, no jerk movements. While exhaling, go to your left. Inhale and to your center. Exhale and relax to Samsthiti. Alert posture, hands on both sides of your body. Fingers pointing down, spine straight. Beautiful smile. Moving from midsection now to our knee movements. So, make sure feet are grounded in the floor. Raise your arms, palms facing down, feet apart. Take a deep breath. And while exhaling, you're going to bend down, half squat position. Everyone within your comfort level, inhale and up. Controlled movements, controlled mindful movements. First you control your body, then you control your mind, and then you control your life. Last time. Okay, I joked. 2 more times. And now, last time. And relax. How are we doing? Yoga is not hard, right? So far easy? Let's keep going. And now, standing yoga asanas. This was loosening practice. And now standing yoga asanas. We will start with Tadasana. Very nice. You'll feel total body stretch from head to toe. Tadasana. Feet together. There should be 1 to 2 inch difference. Hands on both sides of the body. And listen up. Take a deep breath and bring your arms parallel to your shoulders. And now interlock your fingers, and while exhaling, outwards. Inhale and bring your hands upwards. And now stretch it up. And if you can, up the heels, fine. If not, that's fine too. And while exhaling, bring the heels down. Let go your fingers and relax. Tadasana gives you full stretch. Let's do it one more time. Take a nice long deep breath. Interlock your fingers, palms outwards. While exhaling, raise your arms above your head. And now if you can lift up the heel, that's fine. If not, that's fine too. And now bring your heels down. Let go your fingers and relax. Nicely done. From here, we are going to do Padhast Asana. Everyone within your comfort level, feet apart. We are going to take a nice long deep breath with full body awareness by raising the arms. Take a deep breath in and raise your arms above your head as if you're reaching out to the sky. And now while exhaling, you can come down. If you can touch the floor, fine. If not, that's fine too. Inhale and go back out again. We will repeat this one more time. Stretch it upwards. While exhaling, come down. Inhale and go back out again. Exhale and relax. Padhast Asana. And from here, we are going to go to Ardha Chakra Asana. Support your back with your hands. And now, align your elbows like this. So feet apart. Add a smile. Take a nice long deep inhale and drop your head back. And while exhaling, now bend from your waistline within your comfort level. Should be feeling it. And slowly come back and relax. Hands down. Moving to Trikona Asana while standing. Very powerful for your both sides of the body. What happens, many times we feel pain in our knee or side of our leg or low back. This is a very, very good stretch. So for this, feet has to be about 1 to 2 feet apart so that you are totally grounded in the floor. Okay. And now take a deep breath and raise your palms to shoulder level. Add a smile. And now what we are going to do is, while exhaling, right hand is going to wrap around your right foot and look at your left palm. Gaze at the middle fingers of your left palm. Slowly come back to your center. Nicely done. Take a nice long deep inhale here. And while exhaling, now left hand is going to touch the left foot and look at your right palm. Gaze at the two middle fingers of your right palm. And relax. Come back to your original posture. Hands down. Relax. Let me tell you, you do this practice, you're going to be better parent, better partner, and better businessman. That's why yoga. Slowly moving from here, we are going to do sit down asanas. So let's go ahead and sit down. Is it boring? Is it fun? You're loving it? You're telling me the truth? Good. So we are going to start with butterfly stretch, Vakrasana. So sit with legs straight, Vishram Asana. Legs straight, hands behind your back, spine straight. And now slowly bring both, put your heels, soles of your feet together, and now bring it together towards your body. And hold it, grab it from the beginning of your toes. Try to bring your butterflies as low as possible. Lot of flexibility in lower extremities. Lot of flexibility. How are we doing? Feeling good? People who are sitting on the chairs, yes, you can just do some movement, but don't sit. This 1 hour is for me. I am the king and queen of this hour, right? Let me tell you, there are a lot of issues out in this world. You don't want to become the issue. And that's why when you organize your mind, your body with yoga, meditation, you never become the issue. You always smile. No matter what the situation is, I tell you, chaos will be outside, but loveful conversation will take place within you if you do these yoga stretches. Slowly bring your feet together, legs straight, Vishramasana. Nicely done. Slowly moving from here to next sitting asana, which is very, very powerful. So raise your right leg and bring your foot right next to where your left knee is. And now take your right foot and bring it outside of your left knee, like this. And now bring your right hand and place it behind you. Take your left hand and place it where your right knee is. And now push it towards left and look at the right side. You should be feeling this one. Hold it for 2 to 3 breaths with full body awareness and let go. Release, bring your foot on the right side, straighten out your leg. Everything with love. Love yourself the way you are. And now bend your left knee. Nicely done. And now bring your left foot outside of your right knee. Bring your left hand behind you. Take your right hand and place it outside of your left knee and look at the left side. Push it towards your right and look at the left side. Hold, 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 hold and relax. Nicely done. Let go. Relax your leg, both legs straight. From here, now we are going to move towards laying down asanas. Very powerful. Time to relax, complete relax. Our mind, our body, open up your mind, open up your body, open up your awareness. How? So what we are going to do is Makrasana. Let us go ahead and lay down on our stomach. On your stomach, place one palm on the top of other palm. Rest your chin on your palms. And now, listen up. Bring a gap of 1 foot between your 2 feet. Just relax. Close your eyes. All this time you've been feeling the world. It's time to feel your inner world. What's happening within me? Am I happy? We all want to be happy, but sometimes happiness is turned into sadness. Just relax. We all want to be peaceful, but sometimes our peace is turned into anger, stress. We all want to be kind, but sometimes our kindness turns into selfishness. And that is why yoga. Purify your inner and outer will be changed. And this is how we purify. Just relax. Relax in your complete body through Makarasana. And now from here we are going to go to Bhujangasana. So bring your feet together. And now everyone within your comfort level, take a deep inhale, and while inhaling, let's go up as far as you can. And if you have no neck problem, look up. Slowly come back to your original position. We'll repeat 4 more times. Rest your chin on your palms. Round 2. Take a nice long deep inhale and go up. While exhaling, come back. Round 3. This is going to stretch your back. While inhaling, come up, and if you have no neck issues, look up like a turtle. Bhujangasana, and slowly come back. No jerky movements, everything within your comfort level. Round 4, while inhaling, go back up. And while exhaling, come back. Down. Last time. Take a deep breath and come up. Feels so good. And come back down. Nicely done. From here, the last asana of laying down will be Pavan Muktasana. Very good for your kidneys, for your digestion system. Very good for your intestine. You can avoid all intestine related problems if you do this. Gastric issues, all of that will be gone. We lay down on our back. Everyone laying down on your back. And bring your legs straight. Hands on both sides of your body. Nicely done. And now bend your both knees. Bend your both knees. And now take your arms and bring them around your knees. Love yourself. Hug yourself. If you love yourself, the world will love you. And now, take a deep breath in here. And while exhaling, knee towards chin, chin towards knee. And relax. Let's repeat one more time. Take a deep breath in again. While exhaling, come up. And relax. Slowly straighten out your legs about few inches apart. Hands on both sides of your body, about 1 foot apart from your waistline. Palms up. Close your eyes. Just relax. Sleeping alone doesn't give you complete relaxation. It's when your inner is totally rejuvenated, you achieve total well-being. Just feel your body. Feel your right side of your body, your left side of your body. Feel the oxygenated blood flowing in you. Feel the relaxation that you've been wanting to have, but never made the time, but you did today. Pat yourself on your back. I am so happy. I have no worries because I'm connecting to my inner powerful self. And now slowly turn towards your right and always get up like this. Let's go ahead and sit down. How are we doing? All right, moving from here to some breathing exercises. And we will end with meditation. Pranayama. How many of you do pranayama? Okay, so that's about 10% of the hands. From tomorrow morning when you get up, make a commitment to yourself that you will make time for this. You know what happens when you do pranayama, conscious breathing? 3 things happen. 1, it is going to give exercise to your inner body and mind, internal exercise of all the organs. 2, it is going to calm your mind. It will create mental muscles. Mental muscles. Someone said something to you, it doesn't matter. Why? You have a mental muscle created. Right? And 3rd, it is going to circulate your oxygenated blood in the entire body. No medical pill can provide this benefit, but pranayama does. Spine straight. We are going to start with Bhastrika breathing. So if you can sit in Dhyan Mudra, fine. Otherwise, spine straight. Have a beautiful smile. And now we are going to take 10 conscious breaths to the count of 4. Breathing through the nostril, breathing out through the nostril, keeping the mouth closed. Take a nice long deep inhale. Count to 4, hold it to 1, 2, and exhale. Take a deep breath in again. Hold 1, 2, exhale to the count of 4. This time add a smile. Breathe peace. Hold 1, 2, and exhale. Let go. All that you're carrying for years or days. This is the time to let go. Take a deep breath in. Hold 1, 2, and let go. Deep breath again. This is conscious breathing. 1, 2, and exhale and let go. Round 5. Nice long deep inhale. Breathe joy. Hold 1, 2, and exhale to the count of 4. Add a smile. Take a nice long deep inhale. Round 7. Hold 1, 2, and exhale. Round 8. Take a deep breath to the count of 4. Hold 1, 2, and exhale to the count of 4. And last time, take a deep, conscious breath. Hold to the count of 1, 2, and exhale. And just relax. Simple. You know, I've been teaching this from last 30 years and I've seen thousands of lives transform. And many are sitting here learning at Mindful Meditation Yoga every Monday, 7:30 to 8:30. You can talk to them. Many are coming from last 20 years and their lives have been transformed. And so can you. Moving to the second breathing exercise. Kapal Bhati. How many knows Kapal Bhati? Wow. Okay, so it'll be fun doing it together. You know, doing it alone is good, but doing it with like-minded souls creates a community of powerful people. I was saying, today we are creating a new world. Outside could be Kalyug. This is Satyug. This is Satyug. This is Satyug. Sitting straight. And now, for those who don't know, 2/3 of the force is applied towards exhale and 1/3 is applied towards inhale. How do we do it? Very good for diabetes, for gastric issues, indigestion problems, and to lose weight. Number 1 exercise of pranayama. How do we do it? So take a deep breath in, and while exhaling, push your stomach towards your spine. Conscious exhales and silent inhales. Stop. Let's do 10 times non-stop. Take a deep breath in and go. Relax. You'll find with every breath, your life is coming in your control. Your mind is coming in your control. Outer situations, outer people can never be the way you want it to be. Your family, your spouses, your children, your friends can never be the way you want them to be. But let me tell you, one thing can always be the way you want it to be. And you know what that is? That's your mind. And if your mind stays predictable among all the unpredictabilities of life, you are victorious. You are the winner of life. And let's do that. One more round of Kapal Bhati. Take a deep breath in and start. And relax. Nicely done. And the last breathing exercise. Trust me when you walk out of this place, we're giving you food for body and food for soul. After this, we have free lunch, yummy lunch waiting for you. But you have to earn it, right? You have to work a little more harder. We're almost getting closer to our powerful practice of yoga. So, alternate nose breathing. You know, 70% of the toxicity of your body is released through breathing. I'm not saying that. Medical science, Dr. Gay Hendrickson, Google it, is saying 70% of the toxicity of your body is exiting from your body through breathing, not through sweat, not through urination, but through breathing. And when we do this alternate nose breathing, our mind calms down. When we breathe from right nostril, the left side of the left hemisphere of the brain activates. And when we breathe from left nostril, right side of the brain is activating. And when we breathe from both sides, we make every decision with head and heart. Head and heart. What that means? You always make the right decision and you have the right life. Right life. Who doesn't want that? It's a science of you. It's a science about us. Why can't we be interested in a science that makes us the most beautiful, the most happiest, the most peaceful? Alternate nose breathing, spine straight. Place the thumb on the right side of the nose. Spine straight. Take a nice long deep inhale from left. Hold. Take two middle fingers, place them on left side of the nose and exhale from right. Conscious exhale. And now take a nice long deep inhale from right side. Hold, switch and exhale from left. That's round 2. Take a deep breath in. Hold, switch and exhale from right. Take a deep breath in. Conscious inhale from your right. Hold, switch and exhale from left. Inhale from left side. Take a nice long in breath from left. Hold, switch and exhale from right. Let go your ego. Take a deep breath in. Feel the purity of your mind. Switch and exhale from left. Let go your negativity. Out. I am a peaceful soul. Take a deep breath from left. Hold. Switch and exhale from right. I am a powerful soul. As of now, I didn't know who I am, but now I know who I am. I'm a child of God, so I carry all His virtues. Take a deep breath in from right. Hold. Switch and exhale from left. Last 3 times, take a deep conscious breath from left. Hold, switch and exhale from right. Last 2, conscious inhale from right. And now switch, and while exhaling, let go your ego. You are a pure soul. So divine. And last time, one nice long deep breath with full body awareness. Hold, switch and exhale from right. And relax. Nicely done. How are we doing? Are you feeling calming energy? Nice. And we're going to end it with guided meditation. How many of you meditate? Every day. Every day. Twice a day? Twice a day? Once a day? Once a week? Once in a year? Okay, so tomorrow morning when you get up, make a commitment to yourself now. Now is the time when your mind is away from the worldly stuff. Make a commitment. It's for you. It'll give you long life. It'll give you a healthy life. I tell you, I'm 64. I don't take any medicine because I practice yoga twice a day. So is my husband. And my children all are here today. I'm not just preaching. I started with my family. My entire family is here. My kids, my grandkids, they all practice yoga. And they all know Ved mantras. And my mom, Shashi Tandon. I think most of you know, everyone in Chicago has come in contact with my mom. She has come all the way from Michigan just to see this vision that Chicago is practicing yoga together. My grandkids, they are practicing yoga and they are going to serve food to you all. Actions speak louder than words. They will learn today how to give. I'm a giver. I'm born to give, not to receive. Most of the times we are doing this. Give me, give me, give me. This moment, I'm here to give to the world. I'm a giver. You walk out with this feeling, I'm a giver. Giver of life, giver of happiness, giver of wealth, giver of smiles. Whatever you want, give it away. You'll get it back. Whatever you want. Sitting meditation. You want to learn 3 golden rules of meditation? Those who think, my students tell me, Anu, I sit in meditation and my mind goes away and my body is doing meditation, and next thing I know I'm sleeping or I'm not able to meditate or focus. Do you want to know how? 3 simple golden rules of meditation. Yes? 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 Okay. This is very powerful. 3 commitments to your own self. Say to yourself, number 1, you could have a long list of things to do, but next 10 minutes, I do nothing. Counsel your mind. You can write down everything that you need to do on a piece of paper. That will wait for you. But tell your mind before you meditate, I do nothing. First rule. Second rule will be, you have lot of desires. You want so many things. Write down. They can wait. But say to yourself, for next 10 minutes, I want nothing. For next 10 minutes, I want nothing. And third golden rule is, you could have labels, you have your designations, you have some alphabets next to your name, but say to yourself, I am nothing. I am nothing. So when you do that, you open up to receive from Almighty. I am nothing. Open to receive. That's what we are doing. Open to receive and fill ourselves with the fuel of life through life enhancing yoga meditation. You do these 3 things, counsel your mind.
3 things, counsel your mind. Just like you counsel your baby, baby listens to you. You counsel your mind will listen to you. You will have a beautiful meditation. I meditate twice a day, every day. It's an addiction. It's an addiction. Can't live without it. Because I love it. You know, anything you love. You like your coffee. You don't have time today. You're running to work. What are you going to do? Stop at Starbucks, grab your coffee, then go. Why? You love your coffee. So now you say you have no time. But today you create love for yoga meditation, you will find time. Sitting straight. Take the thumb and the index finger, place your wrist on your knees, spine straight. Softly close your eyes. Together we are going to chant Om 3 times. Take a deep breath in. Deep breath in. Last time, deep breath again. Stay in this mudra. Disconnect from the outer world and connect with your inner power of self. Connect with the source of all existence. Connect with the source of all knowing. Just feel yourself. Feel your inner self. Feel the stillness of your body. Feel the stillness of your mind. Take a nice long deep inhale. Hold, and now while exhaling, let go. Add a beautiful smile. Let us honor our 3 dimensions of life. Let us honor our body first. a body that's made out of trillions of cells. Through power of meditation, we energize each and every cell of our body and just relax it. Feel the relaxation from head to toe. Energizing your every cell, supporting every system. Imagine how healthy and long life you will have. And now shift your attention to the second dimension of life, which is our mind. Our mind is the manufacturer of thoughts, feelings and emotions. Let the mind be like a torch, light each and every cell of your body and just relax it. Say to yourself, I am so happy, I have no worries. This time when I am connected to my inner self, I have no worries. I am so happy. We are honoring our mind, powerful mind that manufactures feelings, emotions, thoughts. Slowly bring your attention to the third dimension of life, that is our breath. Our breath is very powerful. Rishi Patanjali said, so long there is breath, there is life. When breath departs, so does life. So take care of it. Balanced breathing brings balance in life. We are honoring our breath. Slowly bring your attention to your heart chakra. Bring your mind at the center of your heart and feel a white light pulsating. White light pulsating, throbbing in the center of your heart. Feel the calming white light pulsating in the center of your heart. And now allow that white light to flow from your heart to every part of your body, expanding the calmness to every cell, every muscle. Calm, peace, peace, peace all around me, as if I'm bathing in the peace, oceanic peace. I feel so good. This noisy world that's outside, all I need to do is quieten my inner and the noise goes away. All this time we've been trying to quieten the outer noise of pain and suffering. All we need to do is turn within and quieten the inner, and the outer becomes beautiful, in control. Imagine that white light flowing from your heart to every part of your body, giving you intense peace. And now allow that white calming light flowing from your heart to your homes. Take this calming energy to your homes. Calming energy flowing from your heart to your homes, to your loved ones. Everyone's being wrapped around this calming energy. I feel so good. God's power is radiating towards me. God's love is radiating towards me. God's power is radiating towards me. I am a powerful soul. I am a child of divine, so I carry all His qualities. My success is assured in life. I thank you, God, for giving me these gifts of mind, body and breath, but I must nurture it with the powers of yoga and meditation. It is only when I am away from my inner self I am visited by pain and miseries. Your love for me is unparalleled, God. Your love for me is unconditional. I thank you, God, for accepting me the way I am and transforming me with your divine light. Slowly come back to your body consciousness. This is the time to make a commitment, sankalpa. Make a commitment, may I always stay in this balanced, calm state of mind. It is only when I am in this state, I reach to my highest potential. And now, a prayer for the peace of the entire world. Sarve bhavantu sukhinaha, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kashit dukh bhag bhavet. Slowly come back to your body consciousness. One time, take a deep breath in. Chant Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Keeping the eyes closed, rub your palms. You never want to end abruptly your practice. So we are about to do pranic healing. Rub your palms, feel the warmth, the healing energy in your palms. Your hands are filled with richer nerves. You are about to make yourself very powerful. Keep rubbing them and now take your healing palms and then just place it on your eyes directly. Okay, I'm going to ask you this question. Do you feel 5% more calmer than before? Yes? Yes? Very nice. Take these healing palms and just rub it all over your body. Especially the area that needs more strength. And now come back to your prayerful hands and bow down. Thank you. Thank you to the power that we believe in. Thank you for giving us the gift of yoga. And now bow down to your neighbors right and left with a lot of humility and humbleness. Thank you, Shukrana, thank you, thank you, thank you. And slowly relax yourself, softly start opening your eyes. You're not the same, you're not the same. So this concludes our meditation practice and we are now going to end with one other yoga geet before we serve you lunch. How's everyone doing? Thank you.
Happy Yoga Day. Happy Yoga Day. Happy Yoga Day.